Tahzeeb, a UI UX designer and Webflow developer with over 4 years of experience in creating clean, modern digital websites. This channel is all about design from Figma tutorials and UI UX tips to real-time Webflow builds. Whether you are just starting out or looking to sharpen your design skills, you will find something here that helps you grow. My goal is to share what I have learned, stay inspired, and build a community of creatives who love to design and learn together. This is not just about tools, it's about mindset, creativity, and real world design workflows. So, if you are into digital design, clean visuals, or just want to create something meaningful, hit that subscribe button and let's design together.